Several of you asked what the angle of my roller table is. I don't know. I just made it to what I think it is, but I'm going to let you know. So we'll figure out the angle here. 71 inches long from post to post. I'm going to go from outside to the edge of this board. 34 inches. Get some of the sawdust out of here. There you go. To 46 inches. 34, 46. So what is that? 12 this side. Yeah, that makes sense. This is 12 inches higher on this side over the course of, what did I say? Almost 6 feet. 71 inches. So you can do the trig on it, or I'll do the trig real quick and I'll put it down below here. But we're dodging raindrops today, and I need to get some more wood cut. Life got in the way the last several days. I haven't been able to get out here. So we're gonna cut up a basket if we can get a basket done before the rain hits. Out of gas? Are you kidding me? Half a cut. What were the chances of that happening? I have a very big log on here. Oh! We have a problem. I cut that one way too long. I ended up knocking off my roller conveyor off their blocks, pushed everything this way, so this log has to be recut. Let's get this back up on the deck. Oh, that's heavy. Oh. So what's supposed to happen is this is supposed to be sitting on these 4x6s. Have one on each side here. So regarding the angle on this slope, on this roller conveyor, I don't think I'd go anymore because sometimes there's a lot of pressure on this log. It's kind of tricky to get it out because of all the weight backed up. So just something to keep in mind. And you don't want it coming down, smashing your hands, coming so fast. Sometimes they get a little long. One of the things I like about this splitter is it sips the gas. You can control how much pressure you're cutting with or splitting with by just turning up the RPMs. What it does is it spins those flywheels a little bit faster. So I think for the money still, this is the best splitter out there for the money. It's starting to rain now, so we're going to call it for now. But some of you may have noticed some of the problems I have. You know, this isn't perfect yet. I'm working on it. One of the things is all the time the logs want to roll to this side. So I have to get down and push them over here to get 2 rows or 3 rows, depending how small diameter I'm using. So what I'd like to do, I don't think I can fix it. You know, I was thinking about leaning it at one time, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to keep it level. But what I think I can do is I'll extend a catwalk down to here. So I just got to walk down the catwalk instead of walking down the step. Abby, I need to make a channel just for you, don't I? You don't want to be in the rain either. She doesn't want to be in the rain. She wants to get out of here too. What was I talking about? Oh, the catwalk. So if I extend that catwalk down here, I just have to walk down and push them, right? You don't want me talking. Otherwise, I'm stepping around the steps, getting down, you know, I'm up and down the steps. So I think I'm going to add another 6 or 8 feet of catwalk to this thing. Just simply a gorgeous day out here today. I'm finally back out here. It's been about, I think it was last Monday I was out here, and this is Saturday. We've been getting rain daily. I haven't looked at the rain gauge, but I bet we've gotten 4 or 5 inches of rain in the last week. But it's finally sunny, and it looks like it's going to turn the corner. Sorry about my voice. I got that little crud that's going around. It's in my chest, a little bit of nasal congestion. But I feel great, and it might even be allergies. My plan is to get those 2 baskets filled out. My wife is coming out. She's going to help too, so she's going to make a little cameo in this video. And we just got to get that woodshed filled up. We've got the center section yet to go. So we need probably another 15 to 16 baskets of firewood yet. Cold start on the Steel 441 Magnum. Beautiful.
around 2010, I put a Saginaw 3-point hitch on this, and it makes this tractor much more useful. What we're doing here is I'm cutting up a bunch of slab wood to burn for the rest of the season, so I don't have to dip into next year's wood.
During the course of the video, I mentioned some things I'd like to see fixed on this thing and changed, and one of them was these always slide down on this side and I always got to get off and push it. I wish I had a faster winch to move things along. I don't know if this is the best system for slabs. It works nice with 2 people. With 1 person, it's probably going to be a little slow. It's kind of hard to handle them up there. But I stacked them up, and it seemed to work pretty well. What are your thoughts on how this went today?
I thought it went well with 2 people. It moved it along a little quicker than just with yourself. So
absolutely. So, guys, the processor's still working great. We have 1 3/4 baskets. I'm not putting more wood on there right now. Yeah, maybe I will. We have a wood cutting party coming up in a couple of weeks, and all the kids will be here, and I need something for them to do. I don't want to get it all done. So I'm still gonna maybe do a basket a day. We just got hit with that cruddy weather for about 4 or 5 days, and then we'd get good weather, and we had plans, and then she was on spring break. She's just finishing it, and her mother-in-law, my mother-in-law, her mom was up for the week, so we didn't get anything done this week. Plus, it rained 4 out of the 5
It rained
days.
4 out of the 5. So
yesterday was the only day it didn't rain.
Right.
And I had the grandkid yesterday.
Yep.
So we're good to go. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, hit the like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care. We'll see you at the Log Yard Wood Processor next time.
have a good one.